According to the American Diabetes Association, ADA, 29.1 million Americans, or 9.3% of the population, have diabetes, and 1.7 million Americans are newly diagnosed with diabetes each year. World Health Organization, WHO statistics show that diabetes afflicts 9% of the world population and projects that it will be the 7th leading cause of death in 2030. According to Mayo Clinic statistics, doctors recommend that their patients check their glucose levels 4 to 8 times a day. However, many patients do not follow these recommendations if they test at all. It's hard to believe, but multiple studies, which include those done by the American Diabetes Association, have shown that only about 25% of people with diabetes follow their doctor's recommendations for blood glucose monitoring. The reasons for this are many. As any person managing diabetes could tell you, regular blood glucose monitoring can be a burden. Carrying monitoring equipment is inconvenient, and finding a place to test in private is a nuisance. Add to this list the high and repetitive cost of purchasing test strips and lancets that many people are forced to pay out of pocket due to Medicare and private insurer reimbursement policies which do not cover as many strips as the individual's doctor requires, as well as the painful sores and calluses that often accompany frequent finger stick testing. And it's no wonder so many people with diabetes avoid regular monitoring altogether, lending to aggravation of the condition. Now, there's a better way with SimpleTrack. Across North America and the Caribbean alone, 37 million people, almost 10% of the global count of a staggering 382 million people worldwide, wage a daily war against diabetes. The most disturbing aspect is that globally, almost 46% of the cases go undetected for lack of efficient and reliable glucose testing methods. SimpleTrack, a groundbreaking, innovative, wearable, non-invasive blood glucose monitoring system, all you need to do is simply clip it on your ear, and it automatically syncs with your body to give you accurate readings. SimpleTrack's GlucoTrack helps you gain a realistic picture of your glucose levels by recording readings round the clock. SimpleTrack automatically uploads all your readings in real time by syncing with its health cloud and dedicated apps. This eliminates the need for unnecessary doctor visits. 56% of global diabetics would be encouraged to test around 8 to 10 times a day if they had access to non-invasive, painless testing methods. SimpleTrack aims to bridge this gap. With SimpleTrack, finger tests are set to become a thing of the past. The graph shown here shows the improved health outcomes for people with diabetes with more frequent testing. In most cases, SimpleTrack pays for itself in the first year. The graph shown here shows how much money is saved over the first 5 years. SimpleTrack is expected to boost testing frequencies by an unprecedented 15 to 20% across all patient types, leading to a significant drop in CV risk. A switch from invasive glucose testing methods to SimpleTrack could potentially save the patient $1,500 per year, plus provide better outcomes. SimpleTrack establishes a flawless sync between the patient and the network of caregivers, which includes the physician, dietitian, nurse, and others. SimpleTrack is simple. It is trendy and lightweight and does all the monitoring for you. SimpleTrack, leading the next generation in blood glucose monitoring. Join the revolution.